So I am again starting the basic understanding. You can see the screen.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any people are typing in the group, ma'am. Please, can you do that, ma'am? Admin only, then it will be better.
Yes, ma'am. Please change the group setting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Starting with the basic of this management. Some time has been lost. So like with this management, it's a basic management concept already I have discussed yesterday. So there is something, one request, whenever you are joining my meeting with Zoom, please rename yourself with your name. It will be easier for me to take attendance. So there is 5M is related to management. What are those 5 M's? One is, there is lots of noise. Then from the settings, I have to mute all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Do that, ma'am. Or else,
Please do that, else we cannot hear you properly.
as an admin, ma'am, you mute everyone.
Do anyone having any question? Someone is raising hands. Okay. So 5M. So one is men, that is material, method, machine, and money. So this is when we are using M. So money is nothing but capital. So how we define capital? Anyone is having any idea like capital? In general term, not from your accounting or finance concept. It is the general concept. It is like money in the business. In one word, you can say it is capital. So there is different types of capital that I will discuss later. So basically, just remember 5M, men, machine, money, material, and method. So now how these 5M are interlinked? So they are interlinked by the people itself. So that is the main asset in any organization is people. So that's why the concept has been, or the people is renamed as human resource. So it has been found out that, okay, if you don't have the best of the material, if you don't have the best of the machineries, but if you have the best of the people, you can be number one. That is the basic fundamental concept. So main statement, our people are our greatest asset. So that's why nowadays, all those companies who follow the good principles, they treat their people well. They have a good rules and regulations. They always look after their employees. They always look after their health. They always look after their mental conditions, so that if everything goes away, if they have these people with them, they always will come back. That is the first concept. So as yesterday I have discussed, the word management. So it is the three hidden words, that is manage, main, and T. So T, actually we use T in different times and different purpose. So main T concept is tactfully. Tactfully, sometimes we keep hold on the rules and regulations. Sometimes we use T for technical knowledge. Sometimes we use T for time. Sometimes we use T for team. So tactfully, you have to control main, or you have to manage main. So the dictionary meaning of tactfully is skill and sensitivity. So it is like when you are dealing with human resource or when you are dealing with other people, you have to be sensitive. So you have to understand at what particular mental condition the other person is currently going through. Similarly, in a team member, so it is the basic concept is like always you have to identify, okay, everyone is, as I have discussed, everyone is different person. They have a different wants and needs, and they have a different tension and stress in the family or in the office surroundings. So always you have to treat other people sensibly. That is the basic objective of having a good principles of management. So like all there is different laws, formulas, methods, tactics, and there we will learn over the 2 years the different mathematical formulas. But ultimately all boils down to this one only, how sensitive one particular manager is. So it is like manage men tactfully. It can be tool, it will be recorded. So ultimately you are going to achieve your goal, or you are going to produce proper output. So you can have different concept of management. Different authors gives different dimension of this particular management concept. One is manage men tactfully, manage men, then there is technology, then manage men as team. That is the again very crucial. So we have to work within a team. If you cannot adjust yourself in a particular team, maybe how technically you sound, how good you are in your studies, it will be very difficult for all of you to survive in the industry. So not necessarily, again, as I work within a team, that does not mean you have to speak fluent English. It is like, again, how sensitive you are, whether you can able to communicate your problems, or whether you are making any positive contribution to the team to attain the objective or goal. Then manage competencies. So if you have like, do you know what is the competency? What do you mean by competency? Anyone? What is competency, Sonu?
I think competency is like the better working of a team. Like I have something that I can work good in computer department, and another one can work good in a physical department, ma'am, like that.
Ma'am, competencies means efficiency.
Ma'am, competency means ability or skills.
Daksha, right?
Ma'am, competency means to work
How to manage the work.
efficiently. Work efficiently and how to manage with
How to
skill.
manage the work.
Ma'am, the ability to do something successfully or efficiently.
Competency means how much a person or the person is can in her work or in his or her work or his ability, like that type of things. Means if he is confident, if he is competitive, means competency means we can say in another language that how much he can give his best at his work, how much he can take challenges in his work and everything.
Okay, as you are trying to define competencies from individual point of view as per the employees. But okay, you are somewhat correct. But competency in this particular case, I am referring to with respect to the companies, business itself. Now, competency means key again. It is not possible if for each and everyone to be super efficient each and every field. So each as an individual, we have competency or we have efficiency in a particular field. Say, for example, you have studied so many subjects, but you feel confident or passionate on a particular one subject. It is not like, but sometimes we have to study history, geography, physics, chemistry, maths, but not necessarily say like as per our education system in class 10, we have to give all the examination on all the papers. But ultimately, as we go higher studies, we try to choose those particular subjects where I am feeling attached or confident. So that is individual. And with respect to the company, actually, what happens like each and every company, they have their uniqueness. Maybe some company is very good at manufacturing. Maybe some company is very good at marketing. Maybe some company is very good at finance or accountancy. So like maybe one particular company is very good at sales. So like each and every company, depending on their culture and like who have founded the company, who are running that particular company at that particular moment, each and every company has their strong point in one particular field. Maybe they can be good at very thing, but like the company's brand or image actually survive on that particular field. So maybe if they are very good at manufacturing, maybe sometimes it happens like they cannot able to do that much good in marketing. So similarly, competence, you have to find out what is my strong point as a business. If I'm good at manufacturing, I can do manufacturing. So that's why there is the concept of outsourcing, BPO, KPO, LPO is emerging. So like if I don't know anything, I do it someone else to do that particular part of the job. So that is, you have to first find out what is your strong point. So can you give example? There are companies, they are selling products and actually they don't manufacture. Any company name? But they are very good at marketing. And you would even don't know that they don't manufacture the product. The product is sold in their name only.
Ma'am, like Great Eastern, Chroma. Then
Great Eastern means?
Ma'am, the Great Eastern means like the electrical shop who doesn't manufacture the product, but they sells
No, but you are purchasing the product of that company name, like either Samsung.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Their retail store. No, I'm talking about not the retail store. You are purchasing it from retail store of a particular product from a
Amazon, ma'am. Ma'am, Amazon.
No, again, you are confused. I'm talking about a product which is manufactured. Amazon business scenario is altogether is different.
Ma'am, are you asking good in marketing or good in production?
No, vice versa, anything.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, India Gate
is one of the companies.
Coca-Cola, Pepsi.
I don't think ITC produces anything, but the company sells the products in their name.
Tata.
they manufacture actually.
But ITC produces a
ম্যাম
lot of
রেডমির যে ফোনগুলো হয় সেইগুলো
Ma'am, India Gate.
বানায় না?
I'm confused.
I'm like a rice brand or that type.
India Gate.
It has to
ma'am,
be
any
any
general
product.
marketing agency does not produce any products, but they market for others. Is that what you're trying to say?
Ma'am, only ki product hota hobe na kono
anything.
মার্কেটিং বা মানে প্রোডাকশন কোনটাই বেটার সেটাই নিয়ে
বিসলেরি কি করে নিজেরা বানায় না অন্য কেউ বানায় ওরা বিসলেরির স্টিকার লাগিয়ে দেয়
না ওরা নিজে ম্যানুফ্যাকচার করে
বানায়
No, ultimately you again see like ultimately source of this material is nature. So anyone can take hold of that particular natural resources. So maybe I cannot able to tell you the problem correctly. So I'm giving you the answer itself. Say like all the boys is very fond of sports shoes. Like Puma, Reebok, then
Adidas.
Adidas. Do you think they really manufacture?
Nike and Puma, Adidas, they manufacture the shoes actually. They have the manufacturing stores at UK, US, and Europe Eastern country.
How to stop running?
Maybe they can have it, but bulk they don't produce actually. If you carefully pull up the stickers, you will find out either it is manufactured in Sri Lanka or it is manufactured in Thailand or Philippines. So normally what happens, not necessarily actually sometimes, but if you see like the outlets of this Adidas or Nike, it is super attractive. Their price is also super attractive. And like, they are very good at marketing. So normally, again, there is a two diverse concept is there. Sometimes we prefer the integration. Sometimes we don't prefer integration, go for diversification or outsourcing. But as competencies, I was referring, competencies means you should know at what you are best. And you give thrust on that particular core area, and everything else can be, you can give it someone else. So some companies manage their competencies. This concept is MBO is known as management by objective. Do you have any idea like what is management by objective?
Ma'am, I have a question is that, ma'am, then ma'am, the SIM cards company like Vodafone, Airtel, Jio, means they are not manufacturing company. They are like, then they are good at marketing.
Manufacture to not.
Yes, ma'am.
Their concept is like for to have
They are providing.
Ma'am, there is another relevant question. Ma'am, if we go to service market, then like GoIbibo, they are just marketing other businesses, even if they don't own the places like the hotels or any other.
They are good at marketing. They are taking commission and they are earning profit.
Make My Trip is also over there.
Make My Trip is also
Zomato, Swiggy is same kind.
Airbnb.
তাহলে তো ইউটিউব ফেসবুকও আছে এইখানে।
See that
digital
you have
marketing
to
করে।
know. So like just using the concept of marketing, they are earning so much profit, and you will be surprised. This can be your assignment. Whatever company name you are telling, you just find out how much they have earned in the life before pandemic, during the pandemic, and like if everyone you are talking about all those companies, they are going to launch IPO, and what is their expected market value? All of you just try to find out.
One thing is that, ma'am, like Ola is starting like electric car things, like they are going to launch electric car, but they doesn't manufacture, so it can be a good marketing sector also for them.
Yeah.
So via company যেগুলো কি via যেগুলো হচ্ছে একটা থেকে আরেকটা সেরকম।
See, like sometimes as you are this is again some relation with the quality. So if you will be confused as a customer or as a consumer, let me ask you if you know exactly what is the difference between customer and consumer.
Consumer who deals with the customers, but customer is not direct dealing with the like manufacturing company, but consumer is dealing with the manufacturing company or by the third party, or he's dealing direct, means B2B he's doing, or B is in the middle person is also over there.
Don't be confused so much. Just a simple. Whenever say like in management, whenever you will be facing
consumer
consumer
is the end person.
Try to give it short answer.
Ma'am, consumer is the end person. A customer is not necessarily the end person.
Ma'am, customer can be the stakeholders.
Zomato বা Swiggy থেকে খাবার আনা হলে মানে যারা খাবার আনে ডেলিভারি বয় তারা হচ্ছে কাস্টমার and maybe আমরা কনজিউমার।
তোমাকে মারবো।
Ma'am, if I may. Ma'am, if I may.
Yeah.
So the customers can be the stakeholders and the shareholders of the company, and consumers are the the people who are consuming or using the product of the company.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
বলো শুনছি আমি।
ma'am, consumer is the seller and ye is a buyer, customer.
আচ্ছা আমি না কতগুলো নাম দেখছি স্ক্রিনে, তোমরা যদি ভিডিওটা অন করো, দিস টাইপ অফ কনসেপ্ট বেসিক আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ক্লিয়ারটা আমার মুখ দেখলে আমার ভালো বোঝাতে সুবিধা হয়, যদি পসিবল হয় তোমাদের ডেটা পারমিট করে। তোমরা যদি সবাই একটু, আমি সবার মুখটা দেখলে আমার মনে হয়, আমি নাহলে মনে হয় কিরকম একটা সাদা স্ক্রিনকে পড়াচ্ছি।
মানে বাড়িতে একটু কাজ হচ্ছে তো
কাজ হতে আমার কোনোতে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, তুমি শোনো আর ইয়ে করো। সো এভরিওয়ান, আমরা সবাই সবার বিশাল বাড়ি নেই, আমারও বিশাল
না 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 কাজ হচ্ছে মানে বাড়িতে
ম্যাম একটু নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যু,
কাজ হচ্ছে ওই জন্য আর কি,
নেটওয়ার্ক ইস্যু চলছে ভাই।
ঠিক আছে, ওটা আমার কাছে কোনো ইস্যু না, কারণ এটা এখন আমাদের পার্ট এন্ড পার্সেল অফ আওয়ার লাইফস।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
সো কনসেপ্ট ইজ, সে ফর এক্সাম্পল আমার বাড়িতে বা তোমাদের সবার বাড়িতে জিনিসটা কেনে কে কোন জিনিস, ফর এক্সাম্পল সুইগি থেকে অর্ডার দেবে খাবার রেস্টুরেন্ট থেকে, হু টেক্স দ্য ডিসিশন?
যে খাবে।
আচ্ছা তুমি যখন খাচ্ছ পয়সাটা কে দিচ্ছে?
ম্যাম হেড অফ দ্য ফ্যামিলি যে আছে,
হেড অফ দ্য ফ্যামিলি।
বাবা না,
যেহেতু এখন আমি যেহেতু আর্ন করি না,
তোমার যদি বিরিয়ানি খেতে ইচ্ছা করে, মায়ের হয়তো বিরিয়ানি খেতে ইচ্ছা করছে না, সো আলটিমেটলি বিরিয়ানিটা খাবে তুমি, পয়সাটা কে দিচ্ছে, বাবা না মা? বাবা দিচ্ছে। সো বাবা হচ্ছে কাস্টমার, তুমি হচ্ছে কনজিউমার।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
হু পারচেজ, হু পে, হি ইজ দ্য অর সি ইজ দ্য কাস্টমার, যে কিনছে। আর যে কনজিউম করছে বা ইউজ করছে প্রোডাক্টটা বা সার্ভিসটা, দে আর দ্য কনজিউমার্স।
মানে যে ভোগ করছে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
তাহলে ম্যাম একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল যে ম্যাম আমরা যে ডিলারশিপ থেকে যে গাড়িগুলো কিনি বা যেটা করি, মানে আমরা
কে বিক্রি করছে, that does not matter in this particular case. Who is paying and buying the things, he or she is the customer. আর যে কনজিউম করছে, যে ইউজ করছে, কাস্টমার। সে কাস্টমার ক্যান বি কনজিউমার বাট নট নেসেসারিলি। So when you are thinking about the marketing perspective, always you have to differentiate জিনিসটা কিনছে কে আর ইউজ করবে কারা, তোমার who is your target audience. So সেটার ক্ষেত্রে you have to be very careful.
अच्छा
फ्री में फूड मिल रहा है तो,
हाँ
हेलो,
फ्री में फूड मिल रहा है तो।
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ বলো, শুনছি।
ম্যাম বলছি, আমি যদি কোনো ডিলারের থেকে গাড়ি কিনি, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে মানে গাড়িটা তো কিনলামও আমি, ভোগ্য করবো আমি, তাহলে মানে আমি কনজিউমার, আমি কাস্টমার।
মানে it is not necessarily both has to be different. Sometimes customer and consumer is the same person.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
But not with respect to the customer and consumer. So like again taking the example of different products, say like, so how we differentiate different markets? Say think about age group wise. So normally human beings, normally as from the manufacturer or service industry, we divide markets in different categories. So like it is infant or just newborn babies, then you will be having toddler, then you will having the school going children. So till they reach like 18, the college going young graduates, then you will be having those who are doing the master degree, then they will be the young adults. So like once you reach that particular young adult stage, so like companies has to think about those people. But during like when they are infant, toddlers, or they are only school going boys and girls, at that time they don't have the power to take decision. So at that time your target audience will be the mother or the father. So like what type of products? So how you are going to come up with your strategies, you have to be very careful. Who is your customer and who is your consumer? Or what type of product? So like the regular items which every household consume, like FMCG products. Everyone knows what is the full form of FMCG?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, don't know, ma'am.
No, ma'am, don't.
Please tell me, ma'am. Tell us, ma'am, please.
Fast moving consumer goods. What type of products are in that particular
chocolates?
Chocolates.
Ma'am, packaged food, beverages,
not necessarily like every family does not have packaged foods. You have to think. Regular, which we need, say like whatever be the scenario in our daily household, we need those products.
Dairy product, meat.
মাংস ছাড়াও আমাদের চলবে, so like normal like soap, saban, shampoo, detergent, so like maybe rice, then maybe pulses, so those, that means which quickly sold out from the shops. It is having a average demand in each and every household. So normally the companies who manufacture these type of products, they will be having almost a fixed demand for those products. They know how much to manufacture and how much they are going to sell each and every month, and they will be having a particular expected profit they are going to earn, but not necessarily all of a sudden they can have a bigger jump in the market share and the profit. So can anyone name some FMCG companies? Saban, shampoo, detergent, dishwashing soap,
Dabur
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola কি করে হলো? Coca-Cola সবাই খায় না।
Ma'am, detergent, Sunlight.
Ma'am,
Imami ITC.
Imami ITC.
Dabur India Limited.
Sunrise.
Okay, Sunrise. Then we are having
Hindustan Liver.
Hindustan Liver.
Ma'am, Cook Me.
Nestle, ma'am.
Unilever.
Unilever, okay. Nestle, okay. Then we have Procter and Gamble.
Ma'am, Amul.
P&G, yes.
Amul is actually only related to the dairy products.
Ma'am, L'Oreal.
Okay, again, L'Oreal, they don't actually, not necessarily L'Oreal as a particular segment.
Ma'am, Lay's Pepsi. Lay's PepsiCo.
Ma'am, Yardley. Ma'am, Yardley. Lux. Yardley, Lux. Then
They are not the company, they are product. Again, you are confused.
Patanjali Ayurveda.
বের করবে লাক্স কাদের প্রোডাক্ট? PepsiCo again, like PepsiCo is having a product only related to this fast food items, that is cold drinks and also. So
Colgate, Palmolive.
Hello.
হ্যাঁ বলো।
ম্যাম FMCG ডেফিনিশনটা একটু আরেকবার বলবেন? FMCG ডেফিনিশনটা।
Ma'am,
সেটা মার্কেটিং এর ভালো করে শিখবে। আমি যেটা বলতে চাইছি জাস্ট বেসিক আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ফাস্ট মুভিং কনজিউমার গুডস, যেগুলো যে কোনো দোকান থেকে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি বিক্রি হয়ে যায়, সেগুলো কোনগুলো? that each and every household needs those items. Each and every household in a particular family, they have a regular consumption. Say like in each and every month, at the beginning of every month, each one of your house, your mother purchase those items like detergent, washing clothes. You need a particular fixed amount of shampoo for your house. You need a soap. You need rice. You need maybe pulses, different types of dals. Then you need certain wheat, atta, moida, যেগুলো আমাদের লাগে regular basis. So like those in each and every month, you know, in an average quantity, you don't have any party in your house. So in an average month, you know how much you have to purchase. So normally in on regular basis, normally we procure it for say 2 weeks or for monthly wise. So that means you are having a demand. So whatever be the circumstances, each family is going to purchase those items, whatever the fixed quantity they need. So like each and every shop knows how much each and every month they are going to sell that particular product. Similarly, the companies know how much average sales they can able to make. So those are referring as FMCG products. There is another term with this one, that is FMCD, fast moving consumer durables.
যেগুলো অনেক দিন ধরে টিকবে এরকম কিছু।
TV, fridge, washing machine, mobile phone. So that these two are the two categories. So can I proceed? আমি তো একটা দুটো স্লাইডে রয়ে গেলাম, সেকেন্ড স্লাইডে।
Yes.
So now আমার সাবজেক্টে কিছু মনে রাখতে হবে না, মাথাটা একটুখানি খোলো যাতে ভিজুয়ালাইজ করতে পারো, মুখস্থ করতে হবে না। So you have the basic understanding, competency.
Yes.
So now it's your, like you have to do yourself, like you have to develop your own competency. যে আমি এই সাবজেক্টটাতে সাংঘাতিক ভালো, ওই if it is HR or finance or anything, any problem I am going to solve. See, again, there is a new concept. This is the new concept is used by most of the multinational company nowadays. It is management by objective, MBO. What is that concept? Management by objective is like, as most of the companies nowadays gives values like what the employees think. So like, this is a tradition for most of the multinational companies or bigger companies. Like what happens, like starting of each every year, they call all the middle level management or the managers to a 5-star resort or 7-star resort. Then for few days, they play or go on around playing the cricket, football, they have different sort of entertainment. Then they start discussing how much we have achieved in the last year. Now they start discussing among all the team members to find out how much it is possible for this year. So they set target, they give the target to each and every employee, whatever be the designation. Then after setting that one, they start the next financial year so that they know how much they have to achieve in the next year. But in that discussion, all the employees take part. So first they set the objective, then they start working on that one. So this is management by objective. Overview. Any question?
ম্যাম এমবিওটা আরেকবার একটু বলবেন, একটু কেটে কেটে গেল, ঠিক করে বুঝতে পারলাম।
এমবিওর এক্সাম্পল একটু বলুন।
এমবিও ঠিক এক্সাম্পল না, এটা হচ্ছে how the company runs.
Ma'am, is it the setting of goals?
Say they first, before starting of each financial year, they set the goals, but not it comes from the top management. It is like, it is a dynamic teamwork. So like they will go and sit in a particular isolated, not in the office surroundings, normal cases. They go to any attractive place, like maybe they go to Mauritius, or sometimes they go to any 5-star resort like in Goa or in Malaysia or Singapore. And then it is a sort of the pleasure and business type of trip. They go on playing football, cricket, or all sort of entertainment, having a good food. Then for 2-3 days, rigorously they discuss among themselves that how much they have achieved in the last 2 years, where were the problems, like how it can be solved, where there is a new opportunity, who are their competitors, where they can come up, whether they have to come up with a new product, whether new packaging or new concept, new marketing style, but they discuss among themselves dynamically, and they come up with, like manufacturing team will say like how much they can able to manufacture, whether they are coming up with any new product or not. Similarly, each zone wise or country wise marketing team will set like how much they can able to generate market share. Sales people will tell like how much it is possible to sell. So after sitting and with all and each and every department with their respective head of the departments, like market departmental heads, they come up, okay, what will be the target for the next year? How much they have to achieve in the next year? So for example, they will sit for this particular meeting at the January or December or that particular time, actually say like on 2022, they set the target for 2022, and they again will meet on 2023 January. Then they will again analyze this particular things, that how much they have set target on 2022, how much they have achieved, and what can be possible in 2023. So they set the objective first. Now, after setting the objective, now each team will go to their respective places, then they will work on that one. Any question?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then manage main and things. So main and things means ki resources. So now again, resources nowadays, we categorize the resources in 2 ways. One is physical or tangible. Another resources is intangible. So can anyone give example intangible resource of a particular company? Yeah, absolutely correct. Goodwill.
Ma'am, patent.
Patent. Okay.
Copyright. Copyright.
Copyright. Okay.
Intellectual property.
Design. Their design. Design about something.
Design actually design of what that is depending on that one. If
And the
design of any
quality?
particular physical things, it is tangible. But if your concept
physical
of
things?
designing any software or designing of any particular laws or anything, that is intangible.
Some research and
quality?
development.
Research and development টার্মটা বলতে খুব ভালো লাগে, the most of the companies does not have. Land is physical. Again, like it is the brain of all the human resources.
Quality?
এটা বেরোবে কোত্থেকে? Employees এর মাথা থেকে. So you cannot quantify. Till now we don't have any concept of quantifying one individual brain. And that is the most important asset of any particular company. So basically management is again function of risk and reward. So all your salaries, all your incentive, all your benefit is proportional how much risk one particular individual is going to take up. So broadly we divide the management in 3 levels. One is top level management, another one is middle level management, and there is lower level management or first level management. So all the employees are managers we are talking about, and they will be broadly, they will be under this 3 level. So like top level management, they are basically CEO designation can be different: vice president, president, CEO, board of directors, by general manager, DGM. So it is again depending on that one. So they sometimes we refer them as top level management, sometimes we refer them as senior level management, or they have another technical term we call them as a strategic level. Middle level management, basically all the departmental heads, marketing head, finance head, then your HR head, then quality control head. So this is the belong to this particular category. And first level management is basically those who joined. And so if you go for this age specific first level management, the fresh graduates, you are going to join in this particular category, bottom of this orange one. So like initial 22, 20, 23, 24 till 35, you will be in the first level. Then 35 onwards, again, that is not the exact value, I am averaging. So 35 to maybe 45, you will be in the middle level, or after that you can be on the senior level. But as you know, it is more flat on the lower side and more narrow in the top side. So like very few people is going to reach the top. So that again depends on your development, your own skill. So this is again different wise like each. So what is this? Marketing, finance, operation, HR, administration, or others like quality control, production, and all this. So they are basically known as business function. Be very careful. Business function like grouping or departmentation of the employees in any organization. It can be done in various ways. If it is related to job related departmentation, or business function, normally we are having production or operation, finance, marketing, sales, HR, then quality control, then maintenance, then after sales and service. So like, again, not necessarily each and every company will be having that one. If it is not a manufacturing company, obviously they will not be having maintenance and operation and production. Then you'll be having a part there. So it depends on the company, what type of business function they will be having. So yesterday I have given you this particular definition. So management is all about designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups. That is the most important term. In groups, you have to work efficiently, accomplish selected aims. Any question from this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Functions of management, as those who have done BBA or BCom, they know it is basically planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. So these are 5 functions of management or managerial functions. It is, just remember, planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. There is 5 functions. As you are having planning, you should have a control over that one. So it is planning, organizing, staffing, and leading. So now what happens, like each one, whatever he is in the top level management or middle level or first level, so he has to do his own planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Maybe that planning is for your job, you have to do your own planning, own organizing. Maybe you don't need, if you are not at certain level, you don't have any subordinates or anything, so you don't have to do the staffing. But you have to lead it. Leading not necessarily always mean you have to lead others. It is, problem is like, as you grow up in the organization, it is very difficult. There will be no one to lead you. You have to lead yourself. So when you have to motivate yourself, that is very difficult. Someone is telling you that do this one, do in this particular way, it is easier to follow. But as you grow up, it will be difficult when you have to find out the ways to lead yourself, to motivate yourself. So as over the next 2 years, we are not going to differentiate anything, as everyone will be referring as managers, and all managers has to follow these managerial functions: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Now, how much planning, how much organizing, how much leading and controlling? How much?
मैम बोल रही है जो।
अच्छा, लिखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. First you listen. If you need anything, I will send you all these PPTs. Don't worry. So like planning, how much planning is going to be done by managers, then middle level managers and top level managers. So like planning means what we are going to plan. We are going to plan for the future. So next, it can be long term. So planning again can be of 2 types. One is long term, another one is short term. So like top level managers. So like what is, now just first identify yourself first. What is the function of top level management? Like what they do on regular basis, like directors, board of directors, president, vice president, or whatever be the big designation. What is their daily work? What they do?
They only take decisions for improvement of the company.
And they do planning according to the growth of the industry. They do planning. Then they organize how to do the problem facing the customers or facing the problems which are related. Middle management levels means they are doing organization, planning, and also.
And taking decisions.
Ma'am, the top level management actually focuses on the planning part, while the middle level delegates it and the lower level executes it.
I think, Sushil, you are traveling and you are attending classes.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had a schedule for my vaccination second dose today, so I had to go.
You can take leave. You can go out of this meeting. No issue.
Oh, it's done, ma'am. I'm just returning home.
See, like top level management, they are responsible for future. They don't bother what is happening at 2021, what is going to happen, what has happened in 2020. They are much more bothered about what is going to happen in 2030. If this year company is doing a 500 crore business, whether by 2025, if the company do the same 500 crore business, whether it is sufficient for their survival. No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Obviously, they will not. They will try
Again,
to.
so like maybe the company which the company, whatever type of business they are doing at this particular point, whether it is sufficient for their survival. So they have to do all these things. So can you give example? At any point of time, the company was number one. All of a sudden, company vanishes from the market.
Ma'am, Nokia.
Tata Docomo.
Just think about it. Nokia at one point of time when the first mobile phone comes to India, Nokia was only one provider. Nokia handset was available in the market. Now all of a sudden, what happens? There's so many mobile companies are now
Docomo.
Aircel.
Aircel. Yes.
MTS, ma'am.
পৃথিবীটা মোবাইল ফোন ছাড়াও বাইরে আরো অনেক কিছু আছে।
Hindustan Motors,
Tata Nano.
It is again controversial.
Tata Nano was never number one.
ম্যাম হিন্দুস্তান মোটরসটা তো ম্যাম কন্ট্রোভার্সি তো নেই ম্যাম। হিন্দুস্তান মোটরস তো একটা টাইমে ম্যাম ভালো ছিল, ওদের মার্কেটিং ছিল, সবকিছু ছিল, বাট ওরা নিজেদেরকে ম্যাম ফিউচারে করতে পারেনি বলে ম্যাম ওরা আস্তে আস্তে
compete with this modern cars which comes is more comfortable, more. But if you'll be surprised, but whatever this ambassador is more sturdy than this most of these new cars.
Yes, ma'am.
And actually
they are ma'am fully metal body cars.
In other countries they have a great demand, but still why they cannot survive, why they cannot change themselves?
Because their thinking was like whatever we are going to do or whatever we are making, that's enough for the country or for themselves to survive. For that reason they didn't upgrade themselves, because one thing is that the ambassadors are fully metal body, and nowadays the cars are coming with metal and fiber body mixed. For that reason the cars are getting a lightweight and everything. For that reason they didn't compete with the competition of the market.
That is the point where Nokia lagged back. The same thing, they focused on the hardware but lacked innovation in the software and the other parts. The same thing that happened with Hindustan Motors, where this Maruti 5.
Okay, that means top level management has to have the capability of visualizing these things. So whether they have to change altogether, whether they have to come up with new ideas, whether they have to change the products. So that means they are not bothered about daily activities. প্রতিদিন কি হচ্ছে আজকে কোম্পানি থেকে আসছে নিয়ে না, they are not bothered, but they are only bothered where we are going to stand after 10 years, where we are going to stand after 20 years. So because this is what is the life cycle of a business?
So basically they have to develop themselves according to the how the growth of the industry, or like how the growth of the country is going. So they have to accordingly act with that growth and development.
And most importantly, what consumers are looking for, or the supply and demand.
Absolutely. Customer ki chaiche. Where there is a gap, what customer is searching normally, what? Just think again, এটা একটা বেদ মন্ত্রের মতো মনে রাখবে। কাস্টমার যখন কোনো জিনিস কিনছে বা সার্ভিস কিনছে, what actually they are purchasing?
My service.
So if I am purchasing any particular product or any service I attain, ultimately in turn the customer is basically purchasing satisfaction. So that is very important. So as a company you have to find out, okay, whether customer is searching for something and they are not getting it, so like whether I am having the solution for this one, I can give more satisfaction to the customer. That is the most important thing. Whenever any customer is purchasing, paying money, actually not that what is the product or what is the service, it is like customer is purchasing satisfaction. So top level management is responsible for future. So they formulate strategies, they formulate different ideas for next 5 years or next 10 years or next 20 years down the line. So for that one, they are depending on the data or information from outside, whether customer perspective is changing, whether any competitors is coming up with a better idea. So that's why they are called strategic level. and actually they take decision on an ad hoc basis. Ad hoc actually means whenever required. Middle level management is responsible for current as well as for future. Whatever decision is taken by the top level management, it comes down. Okay, you have to launch this new product. So it comes down to middle level management. They are now responsible. What will be the design of the product? What will be the manufacturing site? Who will be the supplier? When we are going to launch? What will be the cost? Who is the target customer? Who will be the dealers? So those things will be managed by middle level management. As well as they are responsible what is going to happen in 2021. And the first level managers, they are responsible for daily work. How much daily production, daily sales, how much daily HR, daily maintenance. So they are planning, organizing, staffing. That domain will be smaller. Middle level management will be little bit bigger, and top level management, they are responsible for the bigger. Is this clear? So planning everyone has to do, but smaller in the lower level, first level, and it will be little bit bigger at the top level. Again, similar with the organizing. Organizing means ki assembling all the, you have to formulate, structure the team. You have to assign each team members, assign them a job. Similarly, you have to find out ways from where you are going to get the raw material, how everything. So organizing of all the resources. So again, it will be little flat, bigger in case of the first level and more bigger in the top level. But leading, as I was mentioning, as you will be lower, you will be more motivated. You will be led by your superiors. But as you grow up, you have to lead yourself. Again, similar with the controlling. Everyone has to control themselves. That is the controlling part. So any question from this one?
Yeah.
So what are the managerial skills? This is the last topic for today. What is the managerial skills? Those are managerial functions. On said, like, just think about it. When any
ma'am, I had a question here. কন্ট্রোলিং টা মানে কোর্সই করছে কারা? আমরা প্রত্যেকটা কন্ট্রোলিং লেভেলটা দেখছি, বাট ওটা মেইনলি কোর্সই করছে কারা? কোন লেভেল অফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট?
No, each and every one. See, managerial function, as I was mentioning, each one has to, as per their job responsibility, they have to do their planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. So for my job, I have to do plan. So accordingly, how much I have planned, I have to control. আমি একটা ঠিক করেছি কাজটা এক মাসের মধ্যে করব, কিন্তু আমি ওই কাজটা এক মাস করতে পারছি কি পারছি না, প্রতি 7 দিন পর পর আমাকে দেখতে হবে, ওকে, how much I have achieved in last 7 days. If I have not achieved as per my schedule, then I have to take extra. From the next day, I have to work 1 hour extra. So it is not who someone is controlling. It is like if you have planned, you have to control so that on time you can able to get your results or output, whatever, or you can able to attain your objective. So it will be proportional to your planning. It is not that someone else is going to control you.
ম্যানেজারিয়াল স্কিলস ম্যাম,
আমি এই যে ম্যানেজারিয়াল স্কিলের 4টে স্কিল আমি বলে দিয়েছি, তার মধ্যে কোনটা?
Ma'am, for now it's actual.
ম্যাম 4টেই তো লাগবে।
সবগুলোই লাগবে
না, ও এসে তোমাকে 5 মিনিট ইন্টারভিউ করে কি করে বুঝবে তোমার মধ্যে কোন স্কিলটা আছে না তোমার মধ্যে সব স্কিল গুলোই আছে? ডু ইউ থিংক দা HR people are
human madam
হ্যাঁ বলো কি বললে?
Communication skill.
হিউম্যান হলে তো হবে না।
I think, madam, as a
ডিসিশন মেকিংটা হয়তো ট্রাই করবে তারা, দেখার চেষ্টা করবে।
কনফিডেন্স আছে কিনা, তারপর
বিহেভিয়ারটাও ম্যাডাম মানে ম্যাটার করে অ্যাজ এ মানে পারসন।
একটা থিওরিটিক্যাল সিচুয়েশন দিয়ে দিল, বললো এখানে কি করবে বা সামথিং এরকম কিছু।
Ma'am, I think learning
Ma'am, controlling power.
এটা তো ইউপিএসসি ইন্টারভিউ।
And human
See, like, it is not expected you know everything. তুমি কলেজ থেকে পড়েছো, কোনো কোম্পানি এক্সপেক্ট করে না তোমাকে সবকিছু জানতে হবে প্রথম। এটা it is not possible. তুমি হয়তো just this is the biggest reality, like whatever you have learned or whatever you have studied till your MBA, তার কিছুই হয়তো তুমি যে চাকরিটা করবে সেখানে লাগবে না। Then you can ask me তাহলে পড়বো কেন?
ম্যাম কমিউনিকেশন স্কিলসটা তো লাগবে না? কমিউনিকেশন স্কিলস, তারপর
I can give you, as you are talking about the communication skill, I am telling you one particular example. Before this just pandemic in 2019, there is a restaurant comes up in Bombay which is run by all deaf and dumb people.
Ma'am, they communicate with the signals like
I don't say like their customers don't understand those signals.
Behavior,
the action and reaction
behavior,
obviously
Customer-
the character
No, no.
behavior or the
That
Customer
means you have
service
to
type.
understand what do you mean by communication skill.
reaction and action of the person.
understanding
No,
what
maybe-
the customer needs.
Maybe you are very considerate, so you go, but ultimately you are going to choose a particular item you have to order, and that restaurant is actually running in profit.
Ma'am, there will be the menu card will be there. I will show them that I need this food or that food.
No,
Through the menu card.
actually, what the communication skill in one particular time, it is a vast idea. So actual communication skill does not mean what you are speaking. You have to understand what he is not speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Communication is basically what it is not what you are speaking. It is like communication. You have to understand whatever you have told, whether the other person get hold of the meaning of that particular statement. Okay, first of all, I have written technical. What do you mean by technical skill?
IT skill, ma'am. Computer skill.
No. তার মানে বলতে চাইছো ইঞ্জিনিয়াররা ছাড়া আর কোনো কেউ চাকরি পায় না?
Ma'am, moreover, practical knowledge of a certain particular
Ma'am,
field.
technical skill basically
Practical
then
knowledge, like
বলো না
হ্যাঁ বলে না, আমি শুনতে চাইছি তোমরা কি বলতে চাইছো।
practical
Ma'am,
knowledge বলতে চাইছি, মানে যেটা মানে আমরা অলরেডি
kind
physically
of
handle
hard
করতে
skills.
পারছি।
কতটা ইজিলি কোনো কাজ করে দেওয়া
Yes,
যাবে
hard
একজনের
skills.
থেকে কতটা বেশি এফেক্টিভ তার সেটা
আমি
টেকনিকটা।
এগুলো সব আমি কিন্তু আমার ওখানে রেকর্ডার চলছে, আমি সব রেকর্ড করে রাখছি। আমার ট্রেনিং এ পাঠাবো, কোম্পানি কত পাঠালে বাইরে, ওখান থেকে আমাকে এইচআর যদি ফোন করে আপনার স্টুডেন্টটা আসেনি, তুমি ফোন করলে আমাকে কেন রাস্তায় ঘুরতে বলেছে, আমি কিন্তু সব দিন এই তখন এই রেকর্ড গুলো সব প্যারেন্টস এ পাঠিয়ে দেবো। The main problem of all of us is we don't like to do work. আমাদের কাজ করতে একদম ভালো লাগে না, তোমাদের পড়তে ভালো লাগে না, আমার রান্না করতে ভালো লাগে না। সো লাইক যখন যার যেটা করা উচিত তখন মানুষের সেটা ভালো লাগে না, and that is এই জন্যই এত ম্যানেজারিয়াল প্রিন্সিপাল প্ল্যান করছো, মোটিভেট করছো, কন্ট্রোল করছো, কারণ কি তোমার কাজ করতে ভালো লাগে না। তখন বলছে মাইনেতে হবে না, আরো কিছু দিলে কাজ করব। So it is like we don't like to do work. আবার এখনকার ছেলেমেয়েদের আরো প্রবলেম, তাদের তো পড়তে ভালোই লাগে না, তাদের শুধু গুগল আর ফেসবুক করতেই ভালো লাগে। বলে টেক্সট পড়বো কেন, যাই অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিই গুগলের প্রথমে যেটা আসে সেটাকে কপি করে পাঠিয়ে দেয়, এরকম পাঠিয়ে দিলে আমি আবার রিটার্ন ব্যাক করে দেবো।
পিপিটি বানাই বসে বসে।
So it is not like that everything will be available on Google. কিছু পড়ে না, যখন লাগবে তখন গুগল থেকে দেখে নেব। So technical skill is basically Listen carefully. Technical skill, again, I'm not talking about computer skill, electronic skill, IT skill, all these skills. Whether you have this attitude of learning, company will try to find out who those students, whether they are having the adaptability, they can be trained. After giving a training, they can able to use that method or procedures or technique immediately. That is technical skill. Whether you have your mind open so that if any knowledge is given to you, you have the capacity to learn and apply. That is technical skill. তুমি যে কোম্পানিতে জয়েন করছো সেই কোম্পানি কিচ্ছু জানো না, তোমাকে ওখানে ট্রেনিং দিল, ট্রেনিং দেওয়ার পরে বলে দিল এই কাজটা এইভাবে করা যায়, তোমার মধ্যে ওটা আছে যে তুমি ওটা শিখে নিয়ে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ওটা দিয়ে সেই কাজটা করতে পারো। That is technical skill. You can be trained on a particular procedure or techniques or methods or whatever. Like in case of the IT industry, every other year they are coming up with a new software. So immediately everyone has to learn that software quickly within 15 days. Then they have to start work that particular software for a particular project. And it is not like end over there. তোমার মনে হচ্ছে 2 বছর পরে পড়া শেষ হয়ে যাবে, সেটা না, কিন্তু তারপর আবার শুরু হবে। So it is a now new technique you have to unlearn. আগে যেটা শিখেছো ভুলে যেতে হবে, আবার নতুন করে শিখতে হবে। So unlearn and learn is the new method of management. That is another concept. So technical skill in this particular case, whether you have that particular attitude of learning new techniques and you have the capability of immediately after learning you can apply that particular technique. That is technical skill. What is human skill? As I have mentioned, communication, not communication. As all are different people in the team, you have to have that interpersonal skill. So you have to communicate. Also, you have to identify the mental condition of all individuals. How you create that environment, how you are going to create that particular team. যাতে সবাই willingly they try to work out to reach the objective. So interpersonal skill, communication skill, and everything comes under human skill. Conceptual and design skill. Conceptual and design skills, like as every time there will be a problem, how much skill you are having to solve that particular problem, that is conceptual and design skill. Whether you can come up with a better idea, better design, or better procedure, better technique, that is conceptual and design skill. It can be for the product, it can be for any particular new service, or it can be overall business process, or it can be for problem solving or coming up with a new idea for the future. তাহলে এটা কোন লেভেলে কিরকম লাগবে? Conceptual skill is basically related to problem solving or new ideas. So it is not expected anything from the new entrants. So as you go up in the upper level, so it will be more on the upper level, conceptual skill will be required. But human skill, that interpersonal skill and communication skill, it is expected যার যত বেশি থাকবে সে কোম্পানিতে তত ভালো কাজ করবে। So it is expected everyone will be having high human skill. So it is almost same in bottom level to top level. Similarly, technical skill, again, initially you need more technical skill. As you grow up, you don't need that much technical skill because of this first level, actually they execute all the daily jobs. As you grow up, you don't need to do the daily work. Any question from this one?
No, ma'am.
বেসিক্যালি মানে টেকনিক্যাল স্কিল যেটা লাগে ম্যাম লোয়ার ম্যানেজমেন্ট আর মিডল ম্যানেজমেন্টে একটু বেশি লাগে, মানে টপ ম্যানেজমেন্ট লেভেলে অতটা একটু লাগে না।
ওরা তো ডেইলি ওয়ার্কার সেরকম কিছু করে না। এবছর প্রোডাকশন, দে আর নট রিলেটেড টু প্রোডাকশন, পারচেজ অর ইনভেন্টরি অর ফিনান্স অর অ্যাকাউন্টিং। দে আর মোর বদার অ্যাবাউট রিপোর্টস, হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্স, হিস্টোরিক্যাল রিপোর্ট, গত 5 বছরে কোম্পানি কি করেছে। দে অনলি নিড দোজ ডেটা, দ্যাট ইজ দে আর, বারবার বলছি, দে আর রেসপন্সিবল। পরের বছর আমরা কি করব, 5 বছর পরে কি করব, 10 বছর পরে কি করব। So anyone is having any question?
Recording
ma'am.
stopped.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Just let me write down the names for your attendance. Priyanka. As someone has written as Redmi. তা আমি Redmi কি Redmi attendance দিয়ে দেবো?
সৈকত ম্যাডাম
Who is Redmi?
অঙ্কিতা
ম্যাম সৈকত
ম্যাম
মালিক
আমি
সৈকত
সরি
মাঝি
ম্যাডাম
Redmi.
মালিক মালিক ম্যাডাম সৈকত মালিক নো রেডমি ম্যাডাম
Redmi.
পরের দিন থেকে নিজেদের নামগুলো ইয়ে করবে তার দেন আই ক্যান টেক আ স্ক্রিনশট।
ওকে ম্যাডাম
ক্লাসটা কি এটাতে হবে না গুগলে হবে?
হ্যাঁ গুগল, আমি এটা পয়সা দিয়ে কিনেছি।
ঠিক আছে
হ্যাঁ গুগলও করাতে পারি, নো ইস্যু, কিন্তু আমার এটাতে হচ্ছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা হলে টাইম ডিউরেশনটা আমি বেশি পাই।
ঠিক আছে
So like so what is your experience for the last 2 days class? Any feedback?
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Oh, very good.
ভালো ম্যাম
ভালো ম্যাম
Good, ma'am.
ভালো না
ম্যাম এটা শুধু ওই মানে ভিডিও ক্লাসই হয়ে যাচ্ছে আমাদের কাছে। যদি মানে কিছু মানে বই বা কিছু থাকতো যেটার সাথে আমরা কন্টিনিউয়াস ফলো আপ করতে পারতাম, তো ওটাই ম্যাম আরো সুবিধা হতো।
ম্যাম স্টাডি
See, like everyone, all of you will get all these textbooks from the library. তো যেটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি প্রবলেম হয়েছে প্যান্ডেমিকের জন্য, অনেক স্টুডেন্ট যারা বাইরে চলে গেছে বই দেয়নি, বাট আমার মনে হয় তোমরা লাইব্রেরি থেকে তো কিছু না কিছু বই পেয়েই যাবে। আর কিছু বই আমি নেক্সট উইকের মধ্যে আনিয়ে দেব।
তখন
I got
তিনটে
3.
মতো দিয়েছিল মানে
আমিও 3টেই পেয়েছি ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ আমি কিছু পাইনি
সেটা
সবাইকে 3টে করে দিয়েছে।
রেগুলেশনস নিশ্চয়ই তোমাকে ওরা বলেছে। তো সেটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি তোমরা বলতে যেদিন অ্যাডমিশন দিয়েছিল, অ্যাডমিশন ফি দেওয়ার পরেই 3টে বই তোমাদের দিয়ে দিয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম
হ্যাঁ, তো এটা তোমরা বই চাইছো প্রথম আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে, কিন্তু মোস্ট অফ দা টাইম যে স্টুডেন্ট দিকে আমি কোনোদিন বইটা খুলে পড়তে দেখিনি। তো বাট অল ডোন্ট ওয়ারি, আমি লাইব্রেরিতে যা বই আছে ডিপেন্ডিং অন অ্যাকাউন্টসে তোমরা কথা বলতে পারো, কখন ওরা পুরো বইগুলো দেবে। বাট অল অফ ইউ উইল গেট অল দ্য টেক্সট বুক অফ অল দ্য সাবজেক্টস, দ্যাট ইজ নট এন ইস্যু।
এমনিতে আমরা বই পড়ার থেকে মানে বাকিদের বলতে পারবো না, বাট বই পড়ার থেকে ভিডিও দেখে পড়তে বেশি ভালোবাসি। মানে কিছু হোক
দুটোরই কিছু প্রোস এন্ড কনস আছে। যেটা হচ্ছে তুমি যখন ভিডিও দেখো, মনে করো তুমি যত সিনেমা দেখেছো, তোমার কি সব সিনেমা মনে আছে?
প্রপার মনে নেই, কিন্তু
that is the problem.
বই থেকে
ভিডিও দেখলে আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিংটা অনেক সময় ভালো হয়, কিন্তু যেটা হয় আমরা তো ওটা একটা মানে এটা একটা হিউম্যান সাইকোলজি বলতে পারো, ওটা আমাদের চোখের সামনে এসে চলে যায়, তো ওটা আমাদের ব্রেনে খুব একটা রেজিস্ট করে না। তুমি দেখলে উইল বি শেয়ারিং অল দ্য পিপিটিস উইথ ইউ, দ্যাট ইজ নট অ্যান ইস্যু। কিন্তু তার সঙ্গে তুমি আমি সবসময় মানে এটা দিস ইজ এগেইন মাই ওন পারসেপশন, তুমি যদি তার সঙ্গে টেক্সট বুকটা পড়ো, দেখবে তোমার ওটা বোঝাটা অনেক ভালো হয়।
ম্যাম এই পিপিটি গুলো শেয়ার করে দিবেন একটু গ্রুপে, তাহলে পড়তে সুবিধা।
এই নেক্সট উইকস আমি যেটা পড়াবো সেটা তুমি জাস্ট বোঝো, মানে এটা যেহেতু এই সেমিস্টারটা আমার কোনো সাবজেক্টের কোনো পরীক্ষা নেই, পিপিটি আমি শেয়ার করে দেবো, নো ইস্যু। ইট ইজ জাস্ট ফর ইয়োর বেসিক কনসেপ্ট। আর মাই রিকোয়েস্ট, হোয়াট ইজ ভার ইউজ as Amitabh sir is sharing everyday newspaper, তোমাদের প্রত্যেকের বাড়িতে নিউজ পেপার আছে, go through the pages of the business news, business page, ওটা অ্যাটলিস্ট প্রতিদিন পড়ো, বা ডায়েরিতে প্রতিদিনের ইয়েগুলো কোনো ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইভেন্ট থাকলে লিখে রাখো।
ওকে ম্যাম।
এই Vivo 1951 কে নাম বলো, নাহলে তো অ্যাবসেন্ট করে দিলাম।
ম্যাম লজ্জা পাচ্ছে মনে হয় যেন নাম বলছি।
আর লজ্জা কিছু নেই, আমি তোমাকে দেখতেই পাচ্ছি না, তো লজ্জা পাওয়ার কি আছে?
শুক্লা মন্ডল ম্যাম। শুক্লা মন্ডল।
শুক্লা মন্ডল। আচ্ছা তোমাদের সবার ভ্যাকসিন হয়ে গেছে?
সেকেন্ড ডোজ বাকি আছে।
ফার্স্ট ডোজ হয়েছে।
আমি তো নিয়ে এসেছি।
যদি পুজোর পরে কলেজ খোলে, হ্যাঁ নিয়ে এসছে, খুব ভালো।
যতদিন না ম্যাম সিএবি থেকে দিচ্ছে ততদিন নিতে পারবো
না।
ম্যাম সেকেন্ড ডোজের টাইম চলে এসেছে, বাট কি হয়ে যাবে।
ম্যাম কলেজ করলে কি দুটো ভ্যাকসিনেশনই ম্যান্ডেটরি?
এটা আমি বলতে পারবো না, মমতা ব্যানার্জি যা বলবে তাই হবে। Okay, thank you. Have a lunch. Then at 2:30 you are having a class, and in the afternoon, evening, maybe there will be a special session today. So always look at this WhatsApp messages.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, one question.